Hello, it's day 20. Just me today because Gemma's on the couch having just watched Home Alone. Also, Jen might help us at some point, but we'll see. So we're going to open day 20, and I've tried to tidy up as best as I can after yesterday's disaster, but we'll let's see how we get along. Oh. Another disaster has occurred. Oh, we have a snowman. That'll go quite nicely with our other snowman. There's Jen helping. There's a cat attacking. Will you move, mister?
Just move him out the way.
Just pop the cat over there a moment. Oh, he doesn't half make me laugh. Oh. I've distracted him with some wrapping there. I can't see the instructions, Jane. Don't eat the hat! Honey, could you hold the cat, please?
I can't because of my nails.
Well, this has to go down as the most shambolic advent calendar opening I've ever done. But I've done a lot of them, admittedly. Oh, Jesus fuck. Anyway. Jenna's now realised that Lego bricks can be fun to pick up and is now trying to eat them all. Go over there, please. Okay, we've got a little red scarf. And a little white hat. White hat, white head. Jen, please. Oh dear me. So there we go. There is our second Santa Claus. We'll just put the lamp back. If you probably want to see this. This is Jen attacking the Christmas village here. This is his favourite thing to do of an evening. Jen's an Oriental Shorthair, that's why he's got slightly balding legs. It's a character trait for that breed, shall we say. But he's a good cat. And yeah, we have two snowmen now. This is from the Christmas set that I opened a couple of... he's wrecking something else now. About 6 days ago. And 7 days ago? I can't remember how long ago it was. And this is the new one. It looks like a little bandit guy again with that little scarf. So anyway, that's the rather chaotic day 20. And tomorrow we shall hope... Oh god, he's on top of the fish tank now. Jen, what are you doing up there? He wants to go and see the dog. Yeah, day 21 is tomorrow, so we shall hopefully continue things. And maybe tomorrow I might not involve the cat, but we'll see how we go on. See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.